Yes.
All right, Alexis, you said you want to go to jail already because you're tired? All right, so that's what drugs will do sometime. It'll make you sleepy. So my suggestion to you, get awake because your attorney is coming. All right, Alexis Rodriguez. All right, so the first thing we have is the affidavit to surrender surety.
Yes, Judge, I had not seen her since I got notice that if there was a pre-trial violation, you wanted
So you want to go forward on the,
yes, some sort of violation on pre-trial services.
yes, I mean, do you
Oh, yes, yes.
still want to surrender surety? All right, Deputy Mejia, she's going into custody. All right, so the affidavit to surrender surety will be granted. And then we have the non-compliance. And this is the first violation report.
There was a second one, I believe, yesterday.
Is there a second violation on Ms. Rodriguez?
The scene opens with Judge addressing Alexis Rodriguez, who shockingly says she wants to go to jail, just because she's tired. The judge doesn't let it slide, sharply connecting her exhaustion to drug use. It's a powerful reminder of how addiction affects mindset. Her defense attorney enters, but there's a tone of frustration already in the air. When court business resumes, we learn Alexis has violated her pretrial terms, and the court grants an affidavit to take her into custody. The tension is heavy, and the consequences are beginning to set in.
All right, so what I can tell you on your violation report, the violation report is that you have not done your testing, your drug testing, or done your sober support meeting. So obviously you want to be in custody. Is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Have you contacted your attorney?
No, ma'am.
So obviously you want to be in custody, because if you did not want to be in custody, you would have contacted your attorney. You would have done your conditions that were given to you while you're on bond, and you didn't do any of those. So that tells me.
Contacting the person I've been going to go see for the drug testing, telling him that I haven't been able to make it because I picked up a job, night shifts, and I have 2 kids and I got no help. So I've been telling him, like, whenever I've been able to, like.
If you're drug tested today, it's going to be dirty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So obviously you've found time to use drugs during your busy schedule, but you can't find time to report to pretrial services. And based upon your drug use, you should not have custody of children.
Alexis tries to explain herself, saying she missed drug tests and meetings because of her night shift job and caring for her 2 children. But the judge isn't buying it. She points out a painful truth. If Alexis had time to use drugs, she had time to follow the rules. The judge takes a firm but honest stance. Drug use makes someone unfit to parent. This moment is brutally raw, but necessary. It shows the court's priority, protecting children and enforcing accountability, no matter how complicated the situation.
Because when people are using drugs, they are not good parents. You can't be a good parent and use drugs. So there you are. So you're going into custody today?
And Judge, I just see 1 violation report filed first.
That's my mistake. I thought there was a second one, and you said there's a compliance hearing set for today, and that's when I caught the first email that came out.
Okay.
All right. So Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
reset. And are you going to stay as her attorney or no?
I'll do a motion of the next week, Judge.
All right. If you want to go ahead and go on orally on the record.
And do an oral run.
All right. The court is.
As the process continues, Alexis's own lawyer files a motion to withdraw from the case. He says there's been no contact, no communication, and no payment. It's clear that Alexis is spiraling, disconnected from both the court and her defense. The judge accepts the withdrawal and ensures Alexis is interviewed for a court-appointed attorney. It's another tough moment where the system responds to her choices with legal detachment. No one is being cruel, but there's no sympathy left either. This is serious business.
Court is going to call NITMAC number 7 38729, State versus Alexis Rodriguez for the defense.
Judge Joseph McAguilar, on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez, I am the attorney of record and have filed an affidavit to surrender, and I would also like to make a verbal motion to withdraw as her attorney.
All right.
And no communication or follow-up in any employment agreement.
All right. As previously stated, the court is granting your affidavit to surrender surety, and the court will grant the motion withdraw. And I think once you've done the affidavit to surrender surety, there is sort of a conflict.
Exactly.
All right. That will be granted. You're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I do have one more back.
All right. Are you able to afford an attorney?
Not at this moment, no.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, see if she can be interviewed for a court-appointed attorney.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send it to Mac.
All right. And then, Norma, let's recall this for the week of July.
Later in the hearing, Alexis is caught again, this time for drinking alcohol while out on bond. The judge is blunt and sarcastic, telling her if she wants alcohol that badly, she can make some in jail using orange peels. It's funny on the surface, but beneath it is a serious warning. Stop making excuses, or you're going to lose your freedom. Again. The court lays out new requirements: ignition interlock, alcohol awareness classes, and 30 sober meetings in 30 days. This is her last chance to show real effort.
The week of July 21st.
That's it. I can do the 22nd.
All right. And if you can make sure that she has a reset form.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Just have a seat. And could you all hold on to her? All right.
Yes.
All right. Alexis, you said you want to go to jail already because you're tired? All right. So that's what drugs will do sometime. It'll make you sleepy. So my suggestion to you, get awake because your attorney is coming. Could you say something so we can see if we can hear you?
Yes, fine.
Hello. All right. So we have a a violation report saying that you are still drinking alcohol. You're not allowed to drink alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing to help maintain your sobriety?
Well, I don't drink. It's just and I know it's wrong.
No, I cannot hear you. You need to stay still, stop moving around, because when you move around, we can't hear you. So what are you doing to maintain?
The judge and court staff begin scheduling the next court date, working around vacation plans and making sure Alexis is properly reset. Behind all this logistical talk is a clear message. The system keeps moving, whether you're ready or not. There's no hand-holding here. Alexis is now just another case being scheduled, another name on the docket. The opportunity to change is still open, but that window is narrowing quickly.
To maintain your sobriety?
Well, I'm just not gonna drink because I usually don't drink. It was just my sister's birthday, so it was a family function, and I won't drink no more. And I don't drink. It was just
No, you do drink, and let me just tell you why I know you drink. Allegedly, this case has been indicted because you were driving while intoxicated with a child under 15. So allegedly, that means that you were drinking alcohol. That's why it's driving while intoxicated. You're on bond for driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, which you think would be a wake-up call for you not to drink alcohol, and you're still using excuses to drink. So what I'm telling you is you are not allowed to drink while you are on bond. Now, what I can do is I can issue a warrant for your arrest, and if you drink, it'll be you making alcohol at the Bexar County Jail, which my understanding you can do with orange pills after you let it mold. So that will be the only way that you'll be getting your alcohol.
Is that true?
You understand? So I'm going to follow through on the recommendation from the state. You're going to continue with ignition interlock. You are going to take the alcohol awareness course, and you're going to do 30 sober meetings in 30 days. If you violate that, a motion is going to be sent to me. It's going to be another violation report. You're going to be required to appear in court and answer for it. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson, on this case, recall it back for, they had on the 30th, it was going to be a blood discovery.
We're still waiting on the blood evidence. Judge.
All right, Norma, if you'll recall this back for the 4th week in July, please.
The 21st.
All right, so you're going to be back here on July 21st.
Judge, I'm on vacation that week. I'll be
Okay.
back the following week.
All right, let me see. Just one second. Oh, where are you going? Are you just going to be a staycation?
No, I'm taking the kids to Florida, the wife and kids to Florida.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. So you want to do it the week of the 28th? Or you want to do it the week of the 14th,
Of August.
July?
I'll get back like August 1st, Judge.
All right, so do you want to do it the week of July 14th? Is that good or no?
No, we're going a long time.
Oh, okay. All right, Norma,
Yes,
set this for the week of August 1st. I'm sorry, August 4th.
I can do the 4th.
All right, you're going to be back on August 4th? And state that's the final discovery, so the blood discovery needs to be given to him, and if some reason they don't have the blood discovery, then they need to be here to explain why they don't have it. All right, Mr. Cloud, your attorney is out sick.
Okay, how you doing this morning?
Doing okay? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, best that I can be. You know what I mean?
All right, okay, so
I
here,
got a couple of objections I'd like to make though about this indictment I got.
all right, so that needs to be done through your attorney.
Well, I haven't talked to the dude. I don't know where he's at. And
He's
so
sick.
he's always sick. He's supposed to see me in the jail on.
All right,
like-
so let me talk to you.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so right now you're coming at me at 100. My suggestion is you put it on 80.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so then that,
In a closing scene, another defendant steps forward, frustrated, loud, and fed up. His attorney is absent, and he wants to object to his indictment. But the judge steps in calmly, asking him to lower his tone and bring his energy down from 100 to 80. It's a small moment, but it shows the human side of the courtroom, the effort to maintain dignity even when tempers rise. The court isn't just enforcing rules, it's trying to manage people, emotions, and personal chaos.